Fresh strawberries provide natural sweetness and are rich in antioxidants. Matcha powder offers a concentrated source of energy and a distinctive earthy flavor. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, providing fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein. Almond milk serves as a light and creamy liquid base, offering a dairy-free alternative. Combining these ingredients creates a nutritious and flavorful base for various recipes. The freshness and quality of ingredients are key to achieving optimal taste and health benefits. Fresh strawberries are thoroughly washed to remove any dirt or residue. The green calyx is carefully removed from each strawberry before slicing. Strawberries are sliced using a sharp knife to ensure clean cuts and maintain their shape. Uniformly sliced strawberries enhance visual appeal and ensure even flavor distribution. Proper slicing techniques minimize bruising and preserve the strawberry's vibrant color. Sliced strawberries can be used in a variety of culinary applications, from desserts to salads. Matcha powder is finely ground powder, made from specially grown and processed green tea leaves. Matcha is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, offering various health benefits. The vibrant green color of matcha indicates its high chlorophyll content, a potent antioxidant. Consuming matcha may enhance focus, boost metabolism, and promote relaxation. Chia seeds are a rich source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and satiety. These seeds are packed with essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and minerals. Before soaking, chia seeds appear small, dry, and have a uniform color. Chia seeds absorb liquid and expand, forming a gel-like consistency. Incorporating chia seeds into the diet can contribute to overall well-being. Matcha powder and chia seeds are combined in a mixing bowl to prepare for blending. Even distribution of matcha powder throughout the chia seeds is essential for a consistent blend. The mixing process ensures that each chia seed is coated with matcha powder. Proper blending results in a uniformly green mixture, ready for the next step. This mixture can now be added to other ingredients to create a variety of dishes or beverages. The process begins with the careful addition of a liquid base, such as almond milk, to a bowl containing dry ingredients. Maintaining the correct ratio of liquid to dry ingredients is crucial for achieving the desired consistency. Precise measurement of both liquid and dry components ensures optimal results in the final product. The liquid base acts as a binding agent, hydrating the dry ingredients and initiating chemical reactions. Gradual incorporation of the liquid prevents clumping and promotes uniform distribution of moisture. Proper hydration of dry ingredients is essential for developing the desired texture and flavor profile. Thorough stirring ensures all chia seeds are fully submerged in the liquid. Complete submersion of chia seeds is crucial for proper hydration and gel formation. The initial consistency of the mixture is watery before the chia seeds absorb the liquid. Consistent stirring distributes the chia seeds evenly throughout the liquid. Gently folding sliced strawberries into the chia seed mixture ensures even distribution. Even distribution of strawberries enhances the flavor profile throughout the mixture. Gentle folding prevents crushing the strawberries, maintaining their texture and visual appeal. The folding technique ensures the strawberries are incorporated without deflating the mixture. Uniform distribution of strawberries provides a consistent taste in every portion. The mixture is transferred into a clean jar or container, appropriate for refrigeration. Ensuring the container is properly sealed is critical for preservation. Proper sealing prevents contamination and maintains the mixture's quality during refrigeration. Refrigeration extends the shelf life of the mixture by slowing down microbial growth. Refrigeration is essential to allow chia seeds to fully absorb liquid. The absorption process transforms the mixture into a pudding-like texture. Refrigerating for a few hours, or preferably overnight, is recommended for optimal results. Complete liquid absorption ensures the desired pudding, consistency, and texture. The refrigeration process is crucial for achieving the correct structural integrity of the final product. Chia seeds initially appear as small, dry grains. Upon adding liquid, chia seeds begin to absorb the moisture. As the seeds absorb more liquid, the mixture thickens into a pudding-like consistency. The final texture is characterized by a uniformly thickened, pudding-like state. Pudding consistency is checked to ensure it is thick and creamy. If the pudding is too thin, adjust by adding more chia seeds. If the pudding is too thick, adjust by adding more liquid. The ideal pudding consistency should be smooth and easily spoonable. Proper consistency ensures the pudding has the desired taste and texture. The Strawberry Matcha Chia Pudding is prepared for serving. A spoonful of the pudding is scooped from the large bowl. The scooped pudding is gently placed into a clear serving bowl. The serving bowl is filled to the brim with the Strawberry Matcha Chia Pudding. The prepared Strawberry Matcha Chia Pudding is ready to be served. Fresh strawberry slices can be used as a visually appealing garnish. Matcha powder provides a subtle color and flavor enhancement when sprinkled as a garnish. A drizzle of honey adds a touch of sweetness and a glossy finish as a garnish. Garnishes enhance the visual appeal and flavor profile of dishes. Various garnish options allow for creative presentation and customization. The finished Strawberry Matcha Chia Pudding is presented with carefully arranged garnishes to enhance its visual appeal. The texture of the chia pudding is emphasized to showcase its creamy and delightful consistency. Layers of strawberry and matcha chia pudding create an appealing visual gradient. The overall presentation of the dessert aims to be both visually stunning and appetizing. The Strawberry Matcha Chia Pudding offers a refreshing taste experience. The pudding's creamy texture enhances the overall sensory enjoyment. The combination of strawberry and matcha creates a balanced flavor profile. Chia seeds contribute to the pudding's unique texture and nutritional value. The pudding is a visually appealing and palatable dessert option.